Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not quick, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not quick, don't you trip.
Now, when I tell you I just walked in this house, Now, I just want somebody to help me understand why it feels like the pits of hell outside. It is so hot. Oh my goodness. But you know what's crazy? Through all that heat, this hair still did not mat up in the back. Sunber hair. But let's go ahead and get unready. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all my outfit today. Yes. And my camera died. So I also had on these shoes. They tie up and I have little things on it. Little what's they called? Phineas and Ferb. Don't fail me now. What are they called? Aglets. Like I said, let's get unready. So what we gonna start with is these glasses right here. We gotta take them off because it's hot. And glasses, if you wear glasses, whenever it's hot outside, them things slide down here. You gotta push them back up here every 30 seconds of the day. I swear. And then we gonna get this belt off. Cause it's like a corset. And I need to breathe, okay? I need to breathe. Okay. I'm gonna get this jacket. Yes, the jacket. This hair ain't been combed out all day. And it was barely straightened. I'm proud of it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm proud of it. And then, you know, we gonna get out this dress. Okay? So I'm gonna do that little thing where they like, and they switch. So, you know. So you ready? Set. Okay, so you know, we're all changed now. I'm much more comfortable. Next step is to comb out, well, brush out, whatever this hair. Because, honey child, when I tell you, this thing did well. Like, it was, I think it was like 98 degrees outside. I was flipping the hair. I was, you know, stroking the hair. You know, just hands all in my hair. And it did not do half bad, you know, like it really didn't. It did pretty well. Like, you see, I ran that brush through and it just right on through. Right on through. So yeah, I highlighted the hair. It's very pretty in my opinion. I like it. If you don't like it, don't tell me, because that's gonna hurt my feelings, because I like it a lot actually. But yeah, it goes down. It's a 20-inch closure and then all 22-inch bundles. I am 5'3½", which makes me 5'5". Don't correct me, thank you. And it goes down to here, goes down to like the top of my butt. And it's soft, it's thick. This is 3 bundles in the closure. It's very thick. It took the dye pretty well. I used a 20 volume. I just wanted it to be like a little chocolate highlight, you know, just a little something, a little spice, you know, a little flair to it. So I was tired of black hair. So yeah, that's what we got. This is not it straightened because this morning I did not have time to finish straightening it properly. So this is it like in a blow dried state, you know, with like like a third of a pass of a flat iron, because it was rough. It was a rough morning. Let's just leave it at that. The knots bleached pretty like okay, you know, you see. You know, they bleached pretty okay. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not even like, when I tell you this was such a rough morning, I'm gonna put like 2 little sprays of hairspray in it. I tried to do the little got to be glue gel thing, but I'm tired. tired. My stomach hurt. I ain't got time. I just need to get out the house. So, honestly, I don't think I need water to get this off. Like, and I'm bald. This a look. Ooh. So let's continue to get ready. So like I said, this morning was rough. So I don't have any makeup on whatsoever. I ain't got no mascara on. I ain't got none of that. All I had was some chapstick. That was really it. But it was like, you know, the chapstick lip gloss type thing. So I didn't look, you know, I didn't look crazy. But I wasn't like stepping how I wanted to step. You feel me? But that's fine. That's fine. We better get our skin right. So I'm gonna, if I can find a picture, I'm gonna insert a picture of how my skin looked over here. Oh, I do have a picture. I'm gonna show you how my face looked over here. This is how it looks now. It's going down. It's not all the way gone, but it's going down. And you know what the key was? Coconut oil. So invest in that, because this is the thing about coconut oil. Yes, it is an oil, but if you use it on your face after you wash it so that you can moisturize your face, it's also going to clean it, because coconut oil is a cleansing oil and it's cleansed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my face, because you know it was hot outside. I was sweating and I feel nasty, so we gonna wash our face. This is what I'm using. Yes, sir. I'm gonna come over here to my sink. I'm gonna show y'all the sink. Oh, you can't see the sink. It's okay, close enough. So we just gonna wet the face. All right, and then we gonna get some of this. Oh, you know one thing I wanted to talk about in this video was freshmen. If you were just going into high school, I'm a senior. If you were just going into high school, please, for the love of God, do not, I repeat, do not run around that school like a crackhead. Please, I swear. Do not run around that school like a crackhead. It irritates everybody. Administration, teachers, janitors, and most of all, other students. We don't like it. It's very annoying. It's not cute. Just calm down. You know, just calm it. You know, just chill out. You know, maybe. Yeah. Cause that's the like biggest thing. We understand you are just coming out of middle school, you know? This your first time, you know. I don't know, cause high school really ain't all that different. But you just coming out of middle school. You still, you know, you 14, 15. Shoot, some of y'all even 13. But that does not mean you can run around the school, scream like a crackhead. It does not mean that. Once you step foot into those high school doors, The stuff that flew in middle school, don't fly here. Because you're going to catch the wrong one on the wrong day, whether that be a teacher or another student. And you're going to make them angry. And then you're going to get embarrassed. I promise you are not as big and bad as you think you are. You're not. You're not. So humble yourself. I don't know what it is, but when freshmen come in, they always think there's some hot stuff that no one's ever seen before. Honey, we done saw 3 years of this already. You're not special. You're not. You're not special. Y'all know how I come with my oils now. If you've been here for a minute, you've seen my castor oil. This is my coconut oil. It's not as big, but it's the same size as my head. So I mean, that's pretty darn big. So yeah, I mean, I ain't got no big head, but that's a lot of coconut oil, you feel me? So, you know, I always get too much because I forget how much coconut oil spreads. So, you know, rude? Okay, just, you know, hands coated. And I swear, this coconut oil works wonders because the side of my face, the bumps were huge. And then when I started using coconut oil, they like just disappeared. And they disappeared. And every day that I use it, they go down even more. So I look like a greased turkey right now, but that's okay because you know, I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. So it's okay that I look like a greased turkey. I'm not gonna take no videos. And I ain't got nobody to look cute for. I got work to do. Okay? So greased turkey it is. You know? So I mean, yeah, that's really it, actually. That's really all I do. Not gonna cap to you. I don't even do this sometimes. I just kind of like change my clothes and lay down and go to sleep. That's really what be happening. But I had some things to say today. Okay, I had some things to say. Had some things to say today. So couldn't just hop into bed, you know. But what I'm gonna do when I turn this video off. Hop in the bed. Yes, sir. I'm about to hop in the bed. Surely. But you know, thank you for watching. You know, thank you for enduring my very animated character. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and also, if you want to know how I did the little color and stuff, I'll show you the color again. You want to know how I got the little highlights and the brown and the nice little chocolatiness, I'm gonna put that in the description box too. Yeah.
Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.